if you're looking to stop recurring charges on Kraken, this guide will walk you through the necessary steps to manage your subscriptions effectively. Follow these steps to ensure you can cancel any unwanted charges. Step 1. Log into your Kraken account. Start by visiting the Kraken website and logging into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on it to access various account management features. Step 3. Access Subscription Management. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled Subscriptions or Billing. This section will display all active subscriptions and recurring charges linked to your account. Step 4. Review active subscriptions. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Cancel the desired subscription. Select the subscription you want to cancel and follow the prompts to complete the cancellation process. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the subscription is successfully terminated. After completing these steps, you should no longer incur recurring charges on your Kraken account. Always double-check your account statements to confirm that the cancellations have taken effect.